Welcome to TackleTrading.com, another market recap, February 25th, 2016. My name is Gino P. I'm a coach with TackleTrading.com, and in today's market recap, are we bullish? That's the question. Real quickly, my go-to chart every day is the S&P 500, the benchmark of the markets. You'll see the W pattern forming here. Do you guys see that? And what is a W pattern? W pattern usually means winner. When this breaks, the middle of the W breaks. We barely broke it by 4 points today. That's breaking the resistance of the W. That's usually a trigger that we're going bullish. And my backup indicators, my secondaries, my RSI is above 50. But the only one that's not there is volume. Volume is really important. If you look down here, I need the volume to be above the moving average. Now, are we bullish on the Dow? Yes. In a couple other major sectors, and all the markets are in the neutral territory. But I want to see this not only break and hold this level for at least 2 days, but I want to see it hold this 200-day moving average. The 50-day moving average right here. You'll see that right about there, the 50-day moving average. Will this break and hold above that? Will it hold above the W? And will we get the volume confirmation for at least 2 days? Now, even though things look great on the daily, look at the overhead resistance. We got all this resistance up here. So even if we get a bullish signal to go forward here, we got a lot of resistance. This is why I always look at the weekly chart. If you look at the weekly chart of the S&P 500, we definitely still have a long-term downtrend going there. And we have the 20-day moving average here. We have not broken above the 50 on the RSI or the volume. So with that in mind, what do? Do you go bullish? Do you go bearish? Well, we take the daily chart first, know where the resistance points are on the weekly, and be in the right sectors. That's what it's about. So if you look at the market recap, I go to great lengths to make sure that I post the sectors. If you come down here to the market recap, you'll see the major sectors here and the ETF that relates to them, like XLBs, the materials. I have them as bullish. If you left click on the sector itself, it'll bring you up a chart and you will see that, reading it the same way, we've broken above resistance, RSI is above 50, on-bounce volumes above the moving average, and we have started an uptrend. So I've gone through and charted all these for you, and you can find these down below the market charts, all the sectors. What I'm also watching is what is dragging the market down. I'm keeping my eye on oil. It's neutral to bearish right now. You can see it's still downtrending. And very important is the global economy. And to look at that, I look at VEU. Right there, Victor Edward Umbrella. Or Victor Edward Uniform. There you go. That is what a chart would be of the entire world. If you're looking at all the world's biggest stocks that are not American, this is the symbol. So this takes out all the American stocks and looks at all the biggest stocks in the world. It is definitely not bullish yet. It's got a ways to go. But if this was to break above 41, that would be some hope there. Hope you enjoy the market recap. Stay tuned. We try to put these out every day. And I definitely like to put out the sectors every Thursday. And I'll put my coach's thoughts down here. Check in daily for market recaps, our trades and outlooks and education, and get in the game.
Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.